Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 cans, 15 Oz each, black or pinto beans, 1 tablespoon neutral oil, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves garlic. Measure 1 tsp ground cumin, 1 tsp chili powder, 1/2 cup jarred salsa, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. Drain and lightly rinse the beans, but save 1/4 cup of the can liquid or set aside water to adjust texture later. Having measured spices and garnishes keeps the cook time efficient and the flavors balanced. Heat a medium skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon neutral oil. Sauté the chopped onion until translucent, about 4 to 5 minutes, then add minced garlic for 30 seconds just to release aroma. Sprinkle 1 tsp ground cumin and 1 tsp chili powder and stir to toast spices briefly. Add the drained beans and 1/4 cup reserved bean liquid or water, then simmer gently. After 8 to 10 minutes, mash 1/4 to 1/3 of the beans against the pan for body. Then stir in 1/2 cup salsa and 1 tablespoon lime juice. Finish the beans by tasting for salt and acidity. Add a pinch more salt or 1 tsp sugar if needed, and adjust heat with 1 to 2 tablespoon adobo sauce or 1 tsp chipotle paste. Serve topped with 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 2 Oz crumbled queso fresco, and lime wedges for squeezing. Use as taco filling, a side, or layered in bowls with rice and avocado. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Reheating in the microwave for about 2 minutes and stirring once.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.